Namaste. Hi everyone, yogis and friends. Welcome to my natural yoga studio. Today I wanted to talk about stress. What is stress to you? Because when I observe stress for me, it can be physical and mental in the same time. And practicing yoga has been really supportive for stress release for me. So I realize the stress that can come to me sometimes when I'm having some kind of pressure in my jaws or lots of brainstorming ideas that can really stops me from thinking clearly. So I tend to do some movements and poses. We could call it yoga, we could call it body stretch, we can call it whatever that is, you know. So today I want to do how to do a headstand, how to do a headstand hands free on a tree. That's the point of it. And our lovely tree, which is a walnut tree, if you could show it to our friends, please. Yeah, I think this is quite an old tree, maybe more than 50 years, something. So beautiful. So I'm planning to take a permission from the tree and do a headstand on it. And after that, I would like for everyone to share with us if you do any kind of pose or what is your technique of dealing with your stress. How do you get rid of it in somehow, or how do you reduce the stress that you have when you are experiencing that? So I'm gonna now do it.
Oops.